Hey you guys, come with me and let's make dinner together. I'm going to be making pottage. Yes, yeah, pottage. So guys, come with me and let's make it. First thing, I poured in my oils, vegetable oil and palm oil. I allow it to heat a bit, then I pour the onion, then the already mixed tomato and pepper sauce. I poured it in and I mix very well because I don't want my pot to get burnt at all. So I mix with a wooden spoon so that everything would, blend. And after then I poured in my smoked catfish. That's what I'm pouring. I first thought that let me just put a little so that when it's ready I'll put more. Then I just thought let me pour everything so that everything will enter the pepper and everything will enter the fish very very well. So I decided to pour the remaining ones and then I added my spices. Yes, I added my spices. These my spices. I added my spices, Maggi, curry, thyme, and everything, and I mixed it again and again and again and again, so that everything is going to incorporate and everything will be well mixed. Afterwards, I poured in water and a little more sauce, and then I cover it for it to boil. After a few minutes, it's already boiling, and I poured the yam. I mix it with the water. It's at the same level, the yam and the water. After a few minutes, this is what I have. It's already very very soft and mushy, and I'm trying to mix it very well with the wooden spoon, and this is the final result. It's so yummy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.